Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create guidelines on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to background here and I'm going to grab this white stock video. I'm just going to freeze frame that. You can use any color you want. I'm just going to select this one. Go to mask and you are going to select the mirror mask and you're going to make a line as thinly as you can, but not super thin where you can't see it later. Then I'm just going to place it here. I'll just copy and paste it 3 more times. And I'm just going to place one of that there. Copy and paste that again. And you're going to rotate it to create the other guide. And copy and paste that one more time. And you're just going to place it like this. You can copy and paste it however many times you want, of course. But I think that's enough for me. And that is it. That's how you can create guidelines on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I think I already said that, but and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!